sky so wide, golden sunlight shining far and bright. The songbirds painting music in the air, a gentle reminder that beauty's everywhere. The river sparkled like a silver dream, the valleys glowed in shades of emerald green. Every flower opened to the day, as nature softly showed me the way. The world is filled with wonders untold, treasures more precious than silver or gold. I love the forest, I love the seas, I love the mountains and whispering trees. Every fruit and every seed, nature gives us all we need. I love the sunshine, I love the rain, the blooming flowers across the plain. From earth below to skies above, nature fills my heart with love. I love the peaches ripened by the sun, the fields of wheat that stretch and run, the berries shining in the morning dew, the gifts of nature pure and true. I love the honey gathered by the bees, the fragrant herbs dancing in the breeze, the fresh green gardens full of life, bringing joy and peace beyond compare. No greater artist could ever create the beauty that surrounds us every day. I love the forest, I love the seas, I love the mountains and whispering trees. Every fruit and every seed, nature gives us all we need. I love the sunshine, I love the rain, the blooming flowers across the plain. From earth below to skies above, nature fills my heart with love. For the dolphins swimming through the tide, for the deer that wander countryside, for the butterflies dancing free, for every living family, for the deserts and the waterfalls, for the mighty forest standing tall, for every habitat and home. Together we are never alone. And whispering trees, every fruit and every seed, nature gives us all we need. I love the sunshine, I love the rain, the blooming flowers across the plain. From earth below to skies above, nature fills my heart with love. The rivers flow and the wild winds sing. I love the forest, I love the seas, I love the mountains and whispering trees. Every fruit and every seed, nature gives us all